Let's run a game test on the Infinix Hot 12i. First, let's talk about the phone itself. The Infinix Hot 12i comes on 2GB RAM and 3GB RAM with a 64GB storage powered by MediaTek Helio A22 and runs on Android 11 Plus XOS 7.6 with battery capacity of 5000 with a display of 6.6 inches, which is a big screen. The camera and the colors are not featured for this game test, so let's ignore it. The Infinix Hot 12i has features like Bluetooth 5.0 and accelerometer sensor. If you're a fan using BIOS for while gaming, then the Infinix 12i is a bad idea as it doesn't support that. The device costs around $152, which is around 91,000 naira in Nigeria. Abacadabra. It's time to put the Infinix Hot 12i into test. But first, if you enjoyed the video and not a subscriber yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. This game test we played Relic Run, EFootball, and all YouTube. Let's watch a short clip from the Relic Run. Relic Run is similar to Subway Surf and it's a low-end game, so as you can see, the game is running smooth. Now let's move to EFootball. Which is a medium-end game for me and requires mobile data to play. The game is running smooth as you can see. Using this device gives you access to enjoy higher graphics and frame rates when playing this game. If you are a COD mobile fan or you wish to play COD mobile PUBG a lot more, then you need to watch this part. While we were playing COD mobile, I noticed the game was not smooth, and looking at the gameplay it says it all. For the graphics quality, we had only low and the mouse frame rate is medium. This means the smartphone will get up quickly. You need to enjoy a better gaming experience due to the graphics quality and frame rate. I want to recommend this device if you're looking to play games on the long run and perform tasks like screen recording while playing games. Due to the processor, and I noticed most devices with Helio processor are bad for gaming. I want to recommend buying the 2GB RAM device as you might not be able to enjoy the COD mobile at all. And looking at the graphics settings for the COD mobile, it shows you should probably be playing Free Fire more with this device. But if you wish to play COD mobile once a while, like max of 30 to 1 hour gameplay, then you can manage it. Do enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a like if it was worth watching. Bye for now and see you guys in the next one.